What is dark matter? Well, we don't know. And that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. No, I'm just kidding, but that is basically all we know. We don't really know anything. We just have theories and we know more about what it isn't than what it is. We do theorize, however, that everything we've experienced as humanity is only 5% of the known universe. This leaves an insane amount of room for theories on the universe and how it works. These theories have led to the discovery of what we are calling dark matter or dark energy. We have no clue what dark matter energy is though. How does that work? Well, when scientists much smarter in this field than I am calculated how galaxies are held together, they quickly figured out that there's not enough normal matter for this to happen. In simple terms, the gravitational pull of stuff in galaxies is not strong enough to hold them together. The complex structures of the galaxies that form are uniform and have set patterns. These patterns should not be possible unless there is something that does not reflect light holding them all together. Or in other words, we can't see what's holding them together, but we know something is there, and that's why we call it dark matter and dark energy. We believe these are different things, or one or the other only exists. As we know, space is always pushing out and expanding, and new space is always being created. We know this is happening due to redshift, and this has been exponentially growing, so that means as there's more space, that means that there's more space for more space to form. Something is holding everything we know together in the universe, and it's allowing it to constantly push out without ever retracting. We have lots of theories about how this might be dark matter, but we just don't know enough. However, we do have some theories about dark matter include that it isn't a thing, it's just more of like a property. So it's just the property of empty space and what it does. But like still we don't know, really. Space maybe just sort of exists, and as the expand out, there's more gaps, and those gaps get filled in by space, and it just expands and holds stuff together. There's also a theory that dark matter is sort of a separate dimension from the visible matter. And so it sort of exists around everything, but we'll never actually see it. And this is kind of sad because, we may never know the answer to what dark matter is. I think this is also intriguing to me, and I hope that in my lifetime we figure out what it is, because that'd be very cool. Would I want to be the one who finds this out? I don't know, because going into that field, you don't even know if anyone will ever figure out what it is. That's still a possibility in science. So I think I'd rather wait and see if someone else figures it out first, so I can do what I want to do. However, it is quite interesting that it might exist, but we don't know. And if it does exist, that would be incredible, and I'm excited.